case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a provocative case that reached the District of Columbia Court of Appeals in 2007, a defendant found guilty of sexual abuse alleged that his trial was tainted with bias and requested a new one before a different judge. The defendant, an uncle accused of sexually abusing his 9-year-old niece, contested the guilty verdict based on what he regarded as the original judge's prejudicial conduct. During the original hearing, the young niece's testimony was central. She stated that the accused climbed atop her and attempted to undress her. The defendant's legal representation put forth the existence of a short phone cord to dispute her claim of having taken a phone call at the time. The girl, initially confessing to concocting the accusations, later reversed her admission during redirect examination. The defendant's argument for a retrial was born out of the trial judge's remarks following the conviction. The judge had expressed apprehension regarding the toll of the case on familial relations, recognized cultural nuances relevant to the sexual abuse of minors, and highlighted the adverse effects of the defendant's actions on the young victim. The defendant inferred these statements as indicative of bias against him. However, the appeals court disagreed with the defendant's claims of judicial prejudice and denied his plea for a retrial. After a meticulous review of the judge's comments, the court deduced that there was no substantial bias during the trial. Any appearance of potential bias argued by the defendant did not amount to an actual violation of the Code of Judicial Conduct. To preserve the integrity of the judicial process, the court finally decided to reverse the conviction and remand the case for a new trial, should the prosecution choose to proceed. This decision was driven not by the defendant's allegations of bias, but by the potential existence of perceived bias to an informed, objective observer. This case underscored the importance of avoiding even the mere appearance of bias or prejudiced judgment in upholding the integrity of the justice system.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.